Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is a demonstration of the Anvil Works tutorial, which unfortunately doesn't work. I've literally copied and pasted the code from the tutorial, but here's the code right here. I copy pasted it, and I'm using form 1. Form 1 should now look like this, which it does. Click on run, and I get form 1 is not defined at form 1. Form 1's right there. And we take a look at the source code, or what it should do. And this code is identical. Class is def and def are both indented under from the class. This should work, right? But it doesn't. I've messaged support, I got no answer. So why this is not working? Class form 1 template, they're identical. Should work, but it doesn't. Okay, thanks for watching and happy computing.